children, this is not a problem to me because I don't think, I don't plan anything because I ain't got a brain. Why do I waste my time? I just do it. But everybody is smarter than me, and to me it seems that they think too much, they miss that timing. Especially sports or anything, cooking also. There's a split second that you cannot miss. If you get it, boom, home run. Split second. Yeah, so, you have your dreams, and there's this day, that moment that you can start, and it will come true. So do not miss the season, or the rest of your life you'll be frozen.